Bolton. I think this is gonna be a new favorite hangout. I'm with a few friends today. Atif. Hello. This is Brida. Hello. Where's Michelle? You need to show your face.
Down here.
Yeah. So
lovely restaurant.
yeah, it's a really nice cozy place. I think this is going to be our new hangout. I think it's a Kurdish breakfast place. We decide to give it a shot here. We can show them the menu actually.
I am gonna show them. I already took a video anyway.
It's really nice, and I will talk to you later when the food's here. Okay. Fried naan, and it's amazing because it really tastes like youtiao, which is a Chinese fried breadstick.
Fried bread, yeah.
Been craving for that. We have to go all the way to Manchester for that, but now we don't have to. How's your? Are you enjoying it? Oh my goodness. So this is yogurt. You got yogurt. This is the full breakfast.
Yeah.
You got, I think this is like honey or something.
Yeah.
Honey, jam, cream, cheese, yogurt.
This is jam, but it's like.
Oh, this is the honey.
This is honey. This is tin jam. What's called?
Fig jam.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Walnuts, olives, egg, and the glorious fried naan. You got it. Okay, if you don't want anything, but you at least get this.
This one.
It's so good. It's really exactly youtiao.
Oh my god.
Like I said, this is it tastes exactly like the youtiao, the Chinese version of a fried breadstick, but that one is long. This is round. So you know where to get them now, okay? I'm really promoting. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. The kind man offered us tahini. Tahini paste is a sesame seed paste, and I think this is molasses. Yeah, it's sweet. It's like like a dark palm sugar kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah. We combine it together. That is just my favorite food.
She's so happy.
Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. This is kuba.
Yeah, the
Yes,
one
just
kuba.
that. Oh wow! I like the crispiness. This is kuba. Is rice. It's made of rice outside, and then it's meat inside. So it's like the Middle Eastern samosas. This is like a shufta. Yeah, basically it's like a kebab, but it's just a cute one.
Cute.
Let's give it a try. I think this is, well, I've had kuba before, but long time ago, but it didn't wow me. This one, it's so crispy.
Wow.
It's really nice. Okay.
I will try some.
So good. It's amazing, yeah? It's made from rice. So it's so crispy.
And it's very crispy. Never.
And they've kindly given us all.
The salad is very good.
Isn't it meat?
This is
Very
nice.
proper.
You
You can taste the meat. Yeah, normally they have too many stuff in it, but this is really simple and very tasty.
Where is it?